How to hide the notification content on the lock screen of Samsung Galaxy phone. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these steps in order to do that. So for that, you can open up your device and head over to the main settings of your device. And then once you head over to your settings, from the given settings options, you need to look out for the option called notifications. Just go ahead and navigate it up and tap on it. And then once you tap on notifications, you may go ahead and look out for notifications for your lock screen. This is usually located at the bottom. Tap on it. After going over to this section right here, if this option is turned on, you will be getting notifications with details if you have selected details. But if you want to turn it off, what you can do is you can select the option called icon only. Or after that is done, what you can do is you can look out for this option called hide content. So we have this hide content option. You can simply tap on it to turn it on, and it will basically hide the content of the kind of message that you will be getting. Otherwise, you can directly turn off this notifications of your lock screen by tapping on this on option with a toggle. Just tap on it and you may turn off the whole notification for your lock screen, and you won't be getting any kind of notifications on your lock screen. So that is it. You may follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.